The shamrock plant, also known as false shamrock or Oxalis Triangularis, is a popular houseplant that is native to Brazil. It has been cultivated for many years for its ornamental value and is often associated with St. Patrick's Day due to its three-leaf shape, which is similar to that of the Irish shamrock. The shamrock plant has triangular leaves that are usually green or purple with a metallic sheen. The leaves close up at night and reopen during the day, giving the plant a unique and dynamic appearance. The plant also produces small, delicate flowers that range in color from white to pink. The shamrock plant prefers bright, indirect sunlight and well-draining soil that is kept moist but not waterlogged. It can be sensitive to overwatering, so it is important to let the soil dry out slightly between waterings. The plant prefers cooler temperatures and can go dormant in the summer if it gets too hot. The shamrock plant is usually grown alone or with other small, low-maintenance houseplants. It should not be planted with plants that require a lot of moisture or that are prone to fungal diseases, as this can affect the health of the shamrock. The shamrock plant is primarily grown as an ornamental plant due to its attractive leaves and flowers. It is often kept as a houseplant or in terrariums, where it can provide a pop of color and texture. Some people also believe that the plant has medicinal properties, although there is little scientific evidence to support this.